Ezaji chungu eyo ya Museveni
mukolera wa unosaru kati ngera kupeka milioni 10 Vamos kunyumisha. Mama niweze. Amemini. Nimemini sana ndio abakuru yani. Wana bakorera. Kaji Serena Ko Esenya Kankwasi RDC Akuna wa aleko minguzi RDC Agena kumaho yetegereze ikirira cyamwe cyabapa sasete
They are appreciating the industrial park.
Of course.
They are appreciating the PDM. They are appreciating the market. They are appreciating many of your services, the industrial hub, and they are requesting that for the city you give it a special attention because they are seeing the value of job creation.
For giving them these 4 days that you've been around, we are hopeful that you've moved around and you've had it by yourself. The words can only add on what you've seen. I want to start with appreciating. The MC chairperson has enumerated. I think I would not repeat that, but specifically I want to appreciate you for enabling the environment that has made this project happen, the Usmid project. A couple of years ago, for us who moved around, as we talk now, here will be a lot of money. But we can now move, and this day we can attract our people to come and spend some dollars here who come to visit the country. We look much better. Okay. We also appreciate that as of now, the only industry that can employ all caliber of people is the tourism industry. So these roads looking better are the ones that can pull people to come as they visit. They are supporting your PDM people up there because they have to produce for hotels as people come and live in these hotels because hotels don't produce their own. But the transporters also going to third products from the mountains will actually be earning. So I want to appreciate if you can do the next project to start soon. Your Excellency, there are just 2-3 things that I want us to remind ourselves. One of them, when we are commissioning the nice factories down there in the industrial park, as the chairperson said, there's something we hinted on and promised. Unfortunately, maybe we made some reminders only that they have come, but that was your road, Kaguta, and your friends in the garage. You had promised to settle them. We hope that will happen. But also we had hinted on the fact that that tourism road, I think at some level we got a hint that the Kokonjero and Are road, we got a hint that something was going to be done soon. But it's also seemingly taking a while. We request that you look into that. That will be good.
No, amasanyalaze gebakozesa gaffe gammwe. Olubiya we Kenya gwe mwali munywa wano. Nibye Kenya bimwali tekwaliko mirimo gy'abaana bamwe. Tekwaliko amasanyalaze gammwe. Esimu gye bakuba yammwe ya wano. Transport gye bakozesa okugenda kukola n'okukomawo ya boda bamwe. So this is the whole thing. That's why you really need to wake up, you as leaders, and guide your people. Because the NRM has been struggling with all these unnecessary diversions by people who don't care, but tomorrow personal gain, ngawa abama gain. The smuggler, mpozi no wakaduka, babiri basatu bibali baganyirwa. Ne banyonyota sawa za mwezi zonna sente nezigenda okuzimba Kenya. So therefore, if we are clear, tukole ki, budde ki, ate kulwa ki. If you are clear, NRM has already given this answer. But the big effort we are going to make is the railway. The railway. Because omujjuzo kati oguli ku Enguudo tegwetaagisa. Omulogo ayita ku luguudo. Tana kyagenda kona agenda kukola obusezi oyo ayita ku luguudo. Omuntu agenda mu kanisa naye ayita ku luguudo. Emmotoka y'amafuta bino ebifuna accident abantu ne bafa biyita ku luguudo. Ebimotoka ebigenda Sudan ebyetise ebizito ennyo cargo biyita ku luguudo. So we are now going to develop the railway system and also the pipeline from Kenya and from Tanzania, so that amafuta tegayita ku luguudo, amafuta gayite mu pipe. No galaba tetugalaba gayite eyo wansi. Ebimotoka bya petroli biki. This is all part of backwardness. Ebimotoka by'amafuta biri ku luguudo. Cargo kisande kubeera ku luguudo. Should be gaali y'omukka. Enguudo zisigale ku passengers, no light cargo. And then you have the air travel, you have water travel. We shall have, because now we are mainly now Enguudo. But we need to diversify the multimodal transport system. So, kamugwe ki, akwata empola akola ki, bugubugusi ki, mwanya bake emirimo, were abayambe. Oli muzukulu agamba ki muzukulu?
Thank you, Your Excellency. We are so proud that you are in Mbale.
and we appreciate each and everything that you have done for us as Uganda in general. I'm Namarwa Emily, the Deputy Mayor for Industrial State Division, where we are, and I'm on NRM ticket. We appreciate what you are talking, and sorry for interruption. I'm talking on behalf of the councillors who are your foot soldiers. In each and every program, we have been left out as councillors.
Why?
Because that we are political leaders. The structure, has been structured that way.
Oh.
When we come to all these programs, we are supposed to just sensitize, but we are not to be part of it.
Oh.
And when you come to our pay, we get ex gratia after 3 months, and we are the ones on the grassroots. Someone is dead, you have to be there. Someone is sick, you have to be there. And all these community issues, they ask us councillors.
I had heard about it. We are going to get you a fund. You are supposed to be. You're supposed to be part of the Myoga, but probably the Myoga is overcrowded. We can have something special for the political leaders, something special.
Okay. So having such a smart road running through the city of Mbale and several other roads which are running through, we are grateful as a ministry and as Ugandans, and we want to thank His Excellency the President for honoring our invitation to come and commission this road and many more roads that have been constructed across the city and so many other cities that will be commissioned soon by himself. So it's timely because when you look at the situation of our urban areas, towns, cities and municipalities, it's not all that good. Poor accommodation and housing. So when it is coupled with bad roads, poor potholes and dust and all that, then it puts Ugandans in a very, very bad shape in terms of hygiene, and then it can attract easily diseases. Cities can be an attraction of diseases if garbage or waste management is not really catered for. So
this symposium is long overdue, and it has been anonymously fought by people who have been having different interests. When we talk about the youth, we have the literate, the illiterate, we have those that are instructors, the youth council, the NRM youth league. By the time you came.
Now, regarding the number one, all of you joined the parish circle. The reason we like the circle is that the circle is small enough to know what is happening.
But near feet, but Your Excellency, people are shouting behind there that they don't have national IDs.
You will get them. Because they are free, they are not for pay.
Taken them, some of them, the money lenders are the ones who took the IDs.
They must bring them back. They have no right. Money lender has no right. There is no right. You know, the problem we have is that you people don't use the weapon we gave you. Now, this money we are sending for Myoga, for PDM, even the operation wealth creation before,
nite bafuha tesi bawa nite bulimi tesi basi ni hale bahulaza kila hale.
Is your money.
Kali kama pesi kefe ke babe hali umundu wa bushere.
You call me Jaja.
Kumulanga halikuka kuka masaba.
As head of the government.
Atenga niyo mulangisi kweli nambo.
But the government ebaramide tubana bazukulu bange ekiro kyamwe.
Eyakunga wano mirali emyoga ni PDM bino byosi tana bibyenywe.
What do you call okulamira?
Wakulamire. Yes.
So, Jaja, wabalamira.
Balikuka balega wakulamire bino bibyefefa kuta kubisinda.
Tusobola okukiriza muganda wamwe oba abekika okubba ebyobulamu bwamwe. So, what you are saying, oh, the children, the money, you should be involved and protect that money.
Kama pesi na mwebye bugaga byefe.
They have been deducting money for the banks.
BPDM mubera nonga mulama muri bahalo kama pesi president hano madwashimanya ele baberenga bahalo kama pesi kefe.
Deducting 20,000, 30,000.
Bahalo ko chibiri, bahalo ko chitaru, bahalo ko chapaso nizibeti sako nebo bali yako basidi ho zina bali yako.
Not chairman of the circles, now the bank now.
Aliano kuli mubeti banka wadenyo nga mulamile muri bachapaso ne bali ne ali ku PDM mu bank.
They have been knocking off 20,000, 30,000.
Baberenga bali ho chimitwalo chibiri oba chitaru.
I have stopped this.
Bali wakamile shino era imbawo mundu lundisi bahagala wali pesita.
The bank charges will be paid by the government. For you, you will get your 1 million.
Tuimbe national anthem. Tuimbe national anthem.